नमस्कार आणि परत एकदा येवकार तुमका किचनान IIHMच्या नेक्स्ट एपिसोड तुमच्या खातीर घेऊन येयल्लो आसा कुकिंग टेल्स विथ IIHM आणि आयच्या या एपिसोडान या किचनान फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फक्त कुकिंग जायना फक्त जेवण खूप जायना तर स्टोरीजूय खूप जाता आणि खूप कितें कितें शिकपा सारकें आसा तर आयच्या या एपिसोडान आमी तुमच्या खातीर भेट घेऊन येयल्ली आसा शेफ तेजस शेफ तेजस आय हियर येस
Hi.
वेलकम वेलकम सो किचन फूल तुमचो जाल्लो आसा आणि कितें करपाचें आसा इतले इन्ग्रेडियंट्स आमी पळयता हांगा
So last time आम्ही केले ठेचा चिकन. So ह्या फावटी आम्ही will go for a western cuisine. So आम्ही कितें करूया, we'll make a pan fried fish with orange sauce. Along with that we'll serve it with accompaniment like mashed potato आणि wilted spinach.
Sounds like poetry on the plate.
Yes.
Okay,
So
let's begin.
So to begin with, I'll begin with the ingredients. Okay, so we have chopped onion, salt, thyme, then blanched spinach. Okay, so this is blanched and removed in a cold water so that it retains its color. मागीर आमचे असं we have microgreens which we'll use for garnish. Then we have white pepper as we are using the white meat, so white pepper. So if you are using a red meat, then you can substitute with black pepper. Then we have minced garlic, finely chopped ginger, orange juice for freshly orange juice for orange sauce. Again, the leaves will add in into the orange sauce to get the sweetness into it. We have mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, which will go as accompaniment. And for mashed potato, we have butter, potato mash, and cream. And the main ingredient for entire dish, we have a fish. So today, the fish what we are using is the tonak, okay, which you get nowadays in the rainy season most in the Goan market. So we'll substitute the salmon with tonak today. So to start with the marination, first we'll cut the fish into a desired shape. So we have the entire fillet. Just cut. Okay. So we got one. So as we are making one portion, so we have one fillet. So the weight of this fillet will be 120 to 140 grams. Okay. So which whenever we do a plating, ज्यांना आम्ही plating करता in continental, so तेका एक proportion असा. You just cannot dump everything on the plate and you serve. So the meat should be 120, 100 to 120 grams. Then we have starch, which is 40 to 60 grams. Then again carbs, okay, 30 to 40 grams. So it makes a complete meal. Okay, so
Very
like yeah, so likewise, so it is like 100 to 120 grams of meat what I'm using today. So now let's marinate it. So a simple marination which goes into a fish. Okay, it's not a rocket science or anything की आमका हे सगळं घालायचं जाल्यार थोडे कितें म्हणटा, it overpowers the flavor of the fish. So आमका ते फिशाचो flavor आसा पळय तो kill करपाक जाय. But we have to get in more flavor into it. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll add thyme. Okay, with thyme also. Now we'll add little salt. We'll brush it out with some salt, some garlic. Okay, so yeah, you can see I'm not putting too much of garlic because I don't want to overpower the flavor of the fish. Okay, and obviously I'll use the white wine. Okay, so if you are so there is one this thing like if you are using white meat, so you have to use the white wine. Okay, so red meat, red wine. So I have used half a cup of wine. So you can take almost half teaspoon of wine I have used. Now what we'll do, we'll just rub. Okay, rub the entire meat and we keep it aside. Okay. So it will get marinated. So we have to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so that the entire salt and the wine, the fish, the fillet gets absorbed all the things, and then we go for pan fry. So meanwhile, आम्ही किती करूया, हे marinate जातं. We'll start with mashed potato. So again, whenever we are cooking, the flame has to be medium heat. Okay. So as you can see, the pan is getting hit up. So pan is heat up. Okay, so it's on a medium flame. What we'll do, we'll add you know 1 tablespoon of butter. So when you're making you know the mash, you have to keep in mind कि it has to be buttery, okay, silky texture and creamy. Okay, so आमका फक्त butter melt करपाचें, आमका ते brown करपा नाका. So as you can see, butter is melted. So what we'll do, we'll add on the mash into it. Okay, and we have to just mix it very well. Okay. Potato. So you can see the potato fully creamy, silky texture जो दिसता तुमका. Okay. It's because of butter, and the butter will also help you, giving a good shine to the potato. Okay. At this stage, what we'll do, we'll remove the pan from the gas because आता we cream डालते. So whenever we are adding cream, make sure you cannot add on the flame because cream is very, it's a dairy, so it might get curdled. Okay. We add cream, almost 2 tablespoons of cream. And you mix it. See, when you are making a mash, the color of the mash should be white. Okay.
Really good.
So you can see it is coming to a creamy texture. Yes. So the sign of good mash is you have a clean pan.
Yeah, seeing it.
Yes. So you can see it's a silky texture of smash. Yes, and it's done. So now we'll start with the sauce, the orange sauce. Okay. So whenever I serve fish, so I like to prepare a citric sauce going along with the fish because it gives you a good flavor and it balances it out very well. So जर कोणाक citrus naka, so we can go for a mustard also, mustard paste or mustard sauce. So these are the two ingredients which goes very well with the fish. Yeah. So let's start with sauce. So I'll take little oil. Okay, like it will घेना झाला सुद्धा जातं. But I'll just take to saute, onion. So I've taken almost half teaspoon of oil. And this I'll add little onion. Okay. Just caramelize. So it's like half a teaspoon of onion. And so in this, one more thing is like you never brown the onion. Okay, the onion or garlic has to be translucent. Okay, so it's kind of transparent. Transparency you have to see a pass on and the mandapur. Okay, so just to पळयता की onion has become translucent. Now what we'll do, we'll add little ginger because ginger goes very well with citrus. Okay, and I prefer adding ginger into a citrus and just saute. And now we'll add the orange juice. Okay. आता कितें करपाचें? We have to keep it to get it reduced. So आता तुम्ही orange juice पयला पळय तो आता मातसो reduce जातलो. So if you want, you can also add little orange zest. Okay, the रीण आसता पळय भायली साल आसता ती मातशी ग्रेट करून सुद्धा तुम्ही हेतून घालू शकता so that you get a good flavor. Okay, but I prefer adding a fresh orange juice. So that's the reason I'm not adding. Okay, meanwhile we'll keep this on a slow flame. Meanwhile this is getting done, we'll start with the wilted spinach.
Yeah.
Yes. So we'll start with the wilted spinach.
Yes.
Yes. So I'll take on the pan. We'll add little butter. Okay. almost 3 to 4 cubes of butter. Okay, so as you can see, butter got melted. Now we'll add garlic, okay, which is a half teaspoon of garlic, and we saute. So as you can see, जर तुमकां तो गार्लिक आणि बटराचो जो हे फ्लेवर येता आसतलो, the cooking of garlic. Okay, this is the way how you cook the garlic. Just you have to cook it till you get the flavor of garlic. And now we will add the blanched spinach. Okay, these are only the leaves, and you just add the spinach, little salt, and salt. Your wilted spinach is ready. Okay.
It smells good.
So these are the two things what we made. Now we'll do some add-ons. Okay, so we'll do some add-ons of vegetables like mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. For that we need to just saute in butter some garlic and onion, so it's called saute vegetables. So we'll cut the mushroom, it's 1/2. Okay, so these mushrooms are washed and properly. Now what we'll do, we'll just just give a slit cut on the eye of tomato. Okay, we will not cut entirely, but we'll just give a slit. Okay, if you want you can cut also, but I prefer just tossing it out because it's a baby tomatoes, so it gets cooked very fast. Okay, so let's start with saute vegetables. Okay, so we'll take butter, add little garlic. Okay, so almost half teaspoon of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of onion. Okay, chopped onion. Now we just saute. Okay, so as you can see, the sauce is ready. Yeah, so it has absorbed the the sweetness of ginger, the tanginess of the orange juice, and so it is perfectly balanced. So what we'll do, we'll remove from the flame and we'll strain it. Okay, so you can see the ginger. If you want you can serve like this also, but I prefer straining and using it. Okay, as you can see, the onion and garlic has cooked. Now we'll add the cherry tomatoes and mushrooms. Okay, so I like mushrooms when we are cooking. Okay, the western cuisine. So without mushroom, I don't like ordering any seafood or meat products. So I prefer adding it into my food. So we have to just toss it so that we'll add little salt for the vegetables. So if you want, you can also add some exotic or normal vegetables which you get into your market like cauliflower, broccoli, some zucchini, and so just blanch it, carrot and all, and just toss. Okay. So as you can see, the entire coating is done, and your saute vegetables is ready. Now lastly and the final thing which is remaining, we have to fry the fish. Okay, so कोणाक कॉन्टिनेंटल वेस्टर्न क्युझिन खावपाची मदींच रूच येता यू कॅन ट्राय दीस डीश बिकॉज आमच्या गोंयकाराच्या घरान नुस्तें अशें आसता सो इट्स नॉट की you can only use this, you can use any fish, okay, but only thing you balance the flavors according to the fish content. If it's salty or it's from the sweet water, along with it you have to balance the salt and pepper. Okay, so we'll just finish. Okay, so we start and we added butter. Okay, so as you can see butter is melted. So what we'll do, we'll use this time which we had used for marination and the fish. Okay, so just cook. So if you want you can also grill the fish. It's not ki tumka फक्त pan fry करपाक जाय. So I like pan frying and just put this butter on top.
Mhm.
Okay, so it takes hardly 10 minutes for fish to fry. Okay, so as you can see one side it is done. So now we'll just turn it out.
आहा.
Okay, just pan fry, keep on a slow flame, and so till the fish is getting cooked. So it's almost done. Just 2 more minutes. So we got a good crust of the skin. Yes. Till the fish is getting cooked, so we start with the plating. Yes. So I am using the round dinner plate. We'll use some cookie cutter. Okay, a round cookie cutter. We'll put on the mash. Okay.
Mhm.
It's not ki you have made so much of mash, so you dump everything. So you just arrange properly. It cannot be more than 30 grams. I think the fish is done, so we'll close down the flame. Now what we'll do, we'll put on the wilted spinach, we'll put some mushrooms, some cherry tomatoes, okay, as you can see the texture of the fish.
Yeah.
Yes, just hold it because it's very delicate, and you just keep it on top of the spinach. Now we'll add the sauce what we had made from the ginger and the orange. So what we'll do, we'll just sprinkle on the fish. Sprinkle, and we finish it off with some fresh thyme. We remove the excess part. Okay, and we'll add on,
Mhm.
and your pan fried fish with mashed potato, wilted spinach, and some mushroom and baby tomatoes.
Lovely. First of all, look at the plate. Lots of colors. First of all, red asa आमचेकडे, white asa, green asa, yellow asa, orange asa. Lots of colors in one plate, and that is first of all making it tempting. Then the later part, plating, beautifully plated, and then smell, of course. आणि मागीर हांव लास्ट पार्टारू येतले टेस्टिंग पार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इतले सगळे नांवां आयकून हांव पयलीं कन्फ्यूज आसले की कसो तरी हो बॅलन्स जातलो काय डिश. सो लेट्स टेस्ट इट फर्स्ट. ओके, सो आय एम रेडी. म्हणजे तोंडान ना तो तोंडान घालताच ना जाल्लो आसा, इतलो टेस्टी आसा. टेस्ट द मशरूम. Lovely, 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 lovely. I cannot stop myself from eating this again. Thank you so much, Chef Tejas. This is like beautifully done, beautifully done. इतले सगळी नावां आयकून ती कशी काय बॅलन्स जातली आनी कसो बरो वांगडाच बरो टेस्ट लागतलो तेंचो. खरेंच टेस्ट करतगीर कळ्ळें की कसो बॅलन्स जाल्लो आसा, सुंदर रित्या हांगा बॅलन्स जाल्लो आसा. थँक्यू सो मच शेफ अगेन.
Thank you.
परत आमकां जॉईन जाल्या आनी इतलो सुंदर डिश तुमच्या आमच्या मुखार तुम्ही सादर केल्ली आसा. तर पळयत रावात, आनी खूब डिशीज तुमच्या खातीर परत परत घेवन येतले आमी. पळयत रावात कुकिंग टेल्स विथ IHM. पळयत रावात गोवन नॅरेटिव्ह.